Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and once again we're back together. Right, quickly let's jump into question 3 from our technical maths paper 1 exemplar from 2017, and this is for grade 11. Right, so they say to us we are given g of x, which is x squared minus 3x, and they want us to solve for x if g of x is equal to 0. So if g of x is equal to 0, okay, so that's the first one. Then it means that x squared minus 3x is equal to 0. Right, and if we are going to solve here, we're going to factorize. So that's going to be x into x minus 3. This is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. And that's really how the cookie crumbles. Right, they say if g of x is equal to 5, so what are we going to do for 3.1.2? They're simply saying now g of x is equal to 5. Okay, so that means that x squared minus 3x is equal to 5. That's going to give us x squared minus 3x minus 5. That's equal to 0. Sorry, that's a minus there. Right, so x squared minus 3x minus 5. So there are no factors of 5 such that when I subtract them, that would give me 3. So I'm going to need to use the quadratic formula, right? So what is the quadratic formula? That's x is equal to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and this is divided by 2a. Now, please, I want you to note, ladies and gents, our value for a is 1. So that's the coefficient of our x squared term. B is negative 3, and that's it there. And c is negative 5. So let's substitute that there and find the answer. So we've got minus b is negative 3, plus minus the square root of, that's b squared, so that's negative 3 squared minus 4 times a is 1, and c is negative 5. And this is divided by 2 times the value of a, which is 1. So let's find out what the values of a are. In this case, I'm going to take, that's positive 3. Plus the square root of, that's going to be 3 squared minus 4, in fact that's 4 times 1 times negative 5, okay, minus 4 times negative 5, and this is divided by 2, okay. So I get a value of x which is 4.19, or x would be equal to, if I change that value to to a negative rather, so that's negative 1.19. Okay, those are the two values for x. Of course, all you need to do is just substitute into that equation. Please remember, ladies and gents, to write down the full equation, because that does give you a mark in this case. And also please just make sure that you substitute correctly so that you get the right answer. For now, ladies and gents, that is how the cookie crumbles. Let's see each other when we do question 3.2. I'll see you guys next time. Sharp, sharp.